Hello, my name is Greg Whitt. I work for MORryde International, and I want to show you today how we would add in a riveting action into a Pico process. This particular step, I want to look for 4 rivets per side. I'm going to add in the rivet action. I'm looking for 8 rivets, and our configuration ID that we're using is number 1. I'm going to make sure I've got my rivet tool selected, our sensor for that. Add that action. And there I've got what I need on that step. I also need to capture some rivets on this step as well. So I'm going to basically do the same thing again. And there we've added that rivet action onto 2 steps. We would save it, run it through our change control feature of Pico, and then that would be pushed live to the production floor. And with what Pico enables us to do, our IT group doesn't have to write any kind of scripting for that. Pico's written all the scripts for us in the background through the different sensors that we employ for that rivet action. We integrate the tool, add the device, and it's as simple as that to get it added in to each step where we need it.